Hello dear students, welcome to the class on antifungal drugs. In this today's session, let's learn about Griseofulvin. So coming to the specific learning objectives for today's session, at the end of this class you should be able to explain the mechanism of action of Griseofulvin, should be able to explain the pharmacokinetics of Griseofulvin as well as uses and adverse effects of Griseofulvin. So as you know that Griseofulvin belongs to the heterocyclic benzofuran. So it was discovered as an antibiotics initially, which was extracted from Penicillium griseofulvum. So because of its lack of antibacterial activity, less attention was paid to griseofulvin. It was around 1960s. Its clinical utility was discovered in the treatment of dermatophytosis. So coming to some of the specific characteristic feature of griseofulvin, griseofulvin is a fungistatic for most of the dermatophytes, including epidermophyton, trichophyton, and microsporum. Remember, but it is not effective against candida and other fungi which are causing deep mycosis. And for bacterial infection, they are very insensitive. So basically, in case of dermatophytic infection treatment, they gets actively concentrated in the dermatophytes, which accounts for its selective toxicity. And coming to the resistant to griseofulvin during clinical use is very rare. And coming to the mechanism of action of griseofulvin, so griseofulvin basically it binds to the polymerized microtubules and interferes with the fungal activity. So by binding to the polymerized microtubules, they interferes with the mitosis. They interferes with the mitosis. Thereby, it produces a multinucleated stunted fungal hyphae are produced. So it does not arrest the metaphase activity. But remember, by binding to the polymerized microtubules, they interferes with the mitotic activity. Thereby, it produces multinucleated stunted fungal hyphae. And because of this, there will be failure of daughter nuclei to move apart. So coming to the pharmacokinetics of griseofulvin, so absorption of griseofulvin from GIT is incomplete because of very low water solubility. Its absorption can be improved by taking it with fatty meals as well as by microfining the drug particles. So remember, griseofulvin is a keratophilic agent which loves keratin. So that's why it get deposited in the keratin containing or keratin forming cells of skin, hair as well as nails. It is largely metabolized primarily by methylation which get excreted through urine. So when the T-off is around 24 hours, but the action can persist for a week in skin as well as keratin because it is a keratophilic which can stay in the keratin forming cells for longer duration of time. So coming to the adverse effects which are produced by griseofulvin, so when compared with the amphotericin, the toxicity is very low and also it is not that serious. It can produce common adverse effects like headache, GI disturbance, CNS symptoms, and peripheral neuritis. You should remember these three adverse drug reaction which warrants the discontinuation of use of griseofulvin. Like if there is a development of rashes or any photoallergic reactions or hepatitis to the griseofulvin, the drug should be stopped immediately. So orally, it is used only for dermatophytic infection because it gets deposited in the skin through the circulation, thereby it prevents the fungal invasion of keratin. So remember, it is a fungistatic agent, not the cidal. So only the newly formed keratin is not invaded by the fungus. So when you give a griseofulvin takes care that the newly formed keratin will not be invaded by fungus, but the fungus will persist in already infected keratin. It will stay till it is shed off. So basically, the griseofulvin will have a protective action against the newly formed keratin, thereby it prevents the invasion of fungus into the newly formed keratin. So duration of treatment depends upon the site of infection thickness of infected keratin, and its turnover rate. Remember, topically it is inactive, and nowadays the systemic azoles as well as terbinafine are more efficacious, as well as they are more preferred now than compared to the Griseofulvin. So the duration of therapy, as I told, it depends on the site of infection as well as the turnover rate of the keratin. So for the scalp infection, it requires around 4 weeks. For palm and sole infection, it requires around 6 to 8 weeks. For fingernail infection, it requires 6 to 8 months. And for toenail infection, it requires around a year. So 10 to 12 months. So majority of the localized tinea infections are treated with topical agent, though it is a slight ineffective. Griseofulvin should be reserved. Remember, it is reserved for cases with large body surface involvement, any onychomycosis and tinea capitis. Remember, it is also effective in the treatment of athlete's foot but not in the treatment of pityriasis versicularis. So coming to the drug interaction which are associated with Griseofulvin. So Griseofulvin induces the cytochromal P450 enzyme, thereby it increases the warfarin metabolism, thereby decreases the anticoagulant effectiveness, and also the effectiveness or the efficacy of oral contraceptive will be lost because of the increased metabolism of the oral contraceptive pills. So coming to the summary of Griseofulvin. So Griseofulvin are mainly extracted from Penicillium Griseofulvum, which was earlier used as an antibiotic. Because of its lack of antibacterial activity, its attention was less, and it was around 1960 it was discovered that it is effective in the treatment of dermatophytic infections. So remember, it is fungistatic for most of the dermatophytic infection. So in the dermatophytes, they actively get concentrated, so thereby it produces selective toxicity in the dermatophytes. The mechanism of action is they bind to the polymerized microtubules, thereby they interferes with the mitosis, thereby it produces multinucleated stunted fungal hyphae, and its absorption through oral route or GI route is very poor, but absorption can be improved by taking with a fatty meal or by microfining it. And remember, Griseofulvin mainly get deposited in the keratin forming cells like skin, hair, nails. That's why they are called as keratophilic. They get deposited in the skin through circulation and prevents the fungal invasion of the keratin only in the newly formed keratin. Remember, in the keratin which is already infected with the fungus, it will remain in the keratin and it will be uh, destroyed only when it is shed off. But this Griseofulvin will provide a protection to the newly formed keratin, thereby they prevent the fungal invasion into the newly formed keratin. Thank you.